Hi everyone, this is Ayumanyu Kumar and my teammate is Suprita Ji Pujari. So we built SalesLead.ai. It's an AI voice agent which helps in getting partner lead generation. It's a very simple application. So where RM relationship manager of Rupi Ji can upload the leads here, and this system, this our AI application will use 11 labs and 12 you to do AI calls to the user. So I will just show you the demo by uploading two numbers. So we are supporting batch calling. So I uploaded two calls, two leads, and I got the call.
मैं रुपीजी से बात कर रहा हूँ। 2 मिनट है आपके पास?
जी बिल्कुल।
अच्छा अभिमन्यु, मैं प्रिया बोल रही हूँ रुपीजी से। मैं ये जानना चाहती थी कि क्या आप स्टॉक मार्केट में इंटरेस्टेड हैं या आपके कुछ फ्रेंड्स या कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं जो इस फील्ड में हैं?
जी मैं ट्रेडिंग करता हूँ, आई एम इंटरेस्टेड।
बहुत अच्छा। तो अभिमन्यु, रुपीजी का एक एसोसिएट पार्टनर प्रोग्राम है जिसमें कोई ज्वाइनिंग फी नहीं है। आपको अपने क्लाइंट से 100% ब्रोकरेज शेयर मिलता है और पे आउट्स भी डेली होते हैं राइज पोर्टल के थ्रू। कैसा लगा आपको ये सुन के?
बहुत बढ़िया।
ग्रेट। तो मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे साइन अप डिटेल्स भेज रही हूँ और हमारे रिलेशनशिप मैनेजर आपको 1-2 घंटे में कॉल करके पूरा सेटअप कर देंगे।
Okay, thank you so much. So I talked with the AI and I showed the interest that I'm interested into the program. So it will take little time to process that transcription and summary. Then it will decide with the score. So it will give one score, interest and readiness. So we already got one value, one hot queue here. Means the user were interested here, and see, and we got another one for Suprita lead also. So I got two batch calls at the same time. They received the call, they did the transcription and summarizes that, and we got it here with the score values. And here now RM can check it whether what were with the interest evidence that were picked after the conversation. So interest evidence and readiness evidence, and what are the actions now RM can take after this. Before that, user can also see detailed script of the leads here. So here you can see the number and how much time they talk to each other, AI and the user, and they can
नमस्ते
RM can hear
सुप्रीता,
the
मैं
recording also.
रुपीजी से बात कर रहा हूँ। 2 मिनट हैं आपके पास?
So here user is
Yes,
telling, can you speak in
absolutely. We
English?
can
So it
speak in English. Are
converted
you
into
involved
English
in the
language.
stock market or do you have contacts in the finance industry?
So RM can listen the recording if they want, or else they can read the whole transcript of the conversation before calling themselves. So RM is going to now call the user because they were really interested into the program. So before that, they can whether go through the audio or they can go through the transcripts. Also, we sent WhatsApp message with the sign up link. So whether they are interested or not, or do they need any further help. So uh, we got here one message from the our application. So hi Avenu, Priya here from Rupiji, telling like that. So and if the user is not interested or little bit interested, it will fall into warm queue. Here our application will just send a WhatsApp link. So here you can see it sent a WhatsApp link. Still, if the RM wants to call them, they can call from here. And if the user have just cut the call at the beginning, they didn't want it or it was very negative call, then it will put it into the cold queue, and RM can re-engage or our system can re-engage after 30, 60 or 90 days according to the customization. Now RM can go to the dashboard and it can check how many leads were there, how many calls have been made, and how many were fall under hot leads, hot queue, and how many were signed up. So RM can just check whether that WhatsApp sign up link was clicked or not, and if it was registered on the Rupiji portal, they can make it a sign up, or if they need more follow up, they can mark it as follow up, or if they are not interested, they can mark it as lost. So if I click at sign up, here you can see it's a conversation, it's a conversion, means we got one customer. So here it will also show the conversion rate, and you can also see with the graphs what were how many total leads, calls made, hot leads, and what are the number of signed up leads. And here you can see all the daily activities, like how many calls has been made, how many hot queue, hot warm and cold queue according to the dates. Then here we can see according to the conversion by source. So we got the leads from the Facebook ads or YouTube ads, the campaigns run by the Rupiji, and from where we got the maximum leads. So in future, UPG can focus on that particular type of campaigns. Also, it will show what type of languages which has the most conversion percentage: English, Tamil, Telugu, and Hindi. And here you can check the recent leads. So this was the whole application. Little bit I will tell you about our architecture diagram. So this is our architecture. We have RM as user and sales admin, and lead that we will have in a CSV format. Now we are using front end for Next.js and Tailwind. Back end we are using Fast API. So we have login and register. Then user can upload a CSV file. We have dashboard and funnel, and we have the call detail and transcript and audio recording as well available in our system. And then we have calls list, dashboard, and voice hooks that we are using with the 11 labs and Twilio. So Twilio is giving us the number. 11 labs we are using with the agent and the voice model. So these two we were integrating with each other with the Gemini 2.5 Flash model, which is very fast in replying back with the multilingual support. So currently we are supporting Hindi, English, and Hinglish. In future we are thinking to support more local languages like Tamil, Kannada, and Marathi. Then we are using WhatsApp Cloud API for sending the sign up links to their WhatsApp, to the lead WhatsApp number. And we are routing all those things according to the buckets, hot, warm, and cold. And we are using PostgreSQL for database, and we are using Redis for async scoring. So like at the time of calling only asynchronously same time it will score according to the conversation, and it will show into the dashboard. And I want to tell you like what are the problems we are solving with this application. So earlier there was slow response because leads sit untouched for hours or days after submission, because there is a limit to the humans that they can call in a single day, but it's not a limit for AI. They can do 1,000 number of calls in a single day. Language gap. So RM needs to know multiple languages, then only they can do the that number of calls. But our AI can support multiple languages, so they can do call to any people in any region. There is no scale issue, so our AI agent can call any number of leads, and there was an inconsistent handling issue, so no standardized objection handling. Conversion depends on who picks up. So we are fixing this also. So this was the whole application. I hope you guys like this. Thank you so much.